Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, gunners. I hope all of you are having a wonderful day. And today is the day, hopefully, we are doing the rim reveal. So me and 40, you hanging it? Yeah, my man. Me and 40 are just waiting to keep up with these likes on the last vlog. And hopefully this vlog is a response to the last vlog of 3,000 likes and we'll do the rims. So what I'm going to do today is, you've seen us prepping the door panels. Sorry for that spit. Sorry for that spit. You've seen us prepping the door panels. We are going to take Kobe outside. I want no overspray on it. So that's what we're doing today. Just more work on Kobe. I think I'm going to take the hood off today. Take the doors off today and send them back to the body shop so everything can get painted. And maybe pick up some stuff that's already painted and install it on Kobe. So yeah, make sure you like the video. As I'm talking right now, send some love, show some love, and let's kick ass. Keep gunning. Alright now. Alright guys. Alright guys. Alright. Alright guys. Yep, alright guys. Alright, so okay boys. You got something to say, 40? Yeah. Hi. Putting up that lift now so we could set everything up. And so the problem on this street is there's like 300 U-turns a day. So imagine that story. Aki parks Kobe outside and someone backs into the quarter panel making a U-turn. So what I did was I just covered it with the ram. We protect Kobe at all costs. So we'll leave Kobe out here because I don't want any overspray on it. Covered, protected. And we'll start setting up the door panels on these arms, and I can't wait, gunners, I cannot wait to see all this black right here. Real important part to the video, guys. This is what I'm using to paint. I'm going to keep this here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, I've shown this can over 10 times during this build. This is the can that I've been using for everything. The carpet, the dashboard, the panels, everything. So check it out. This can right here, and we showed you how to prep the dashboard, did all of this. One more time. This is the can. This is what I used right here. And we hung up our door panels. We're gonna wipe this down with acetone, not the cloth, and just get it ready for paint and start painting. Hey guys, yeah, one more time. This is the paint can. If you know, you know. One more time, guys. This is the can right here. I know, trust me, I know. Final move before actually painting is just a little acetone right here. Now, this will lift any kind of grease that's on there. Remember, guys, these door panels always get, Armor All and whatnot. So in order for the paint to stick, we've got to make sure that there's nothing greasy on these door panels. So, final wipe down of acetone on everything. And it's going black. Gunners, I'm ready to paint this right here. One more time. You don't understand. Trust me, you don't understand what happens in this DM. Oh, God. All right, whatever. Paint here. Got my mask on. Simple layer. Just get the paint on, let it touch everything, and then go into the next coat once it dries. Now, it may look blotchy right now. It's okay. This is just to get it on. Leave that right there for about 5 minutes and then go into another coat. Here goes second coat. Now the reason this is coming out so well is because of the preparation before the actual paint. The paint is sticking perfectly. Here we go, Gunners. Finished product, man. What do you think? Thumbs up, man. Thumbs up. Guns up. Give me something. How good did these come out? I can't wait to see these on the door, man. We'll probably just put the driver's side one on just for like mock-up. Oh my God. Preparation is everything, man. Make sure you guys get some heat on this too. It's very important that this has heat on it so that paint can really stick. You know what I mean? So I know you guys can do the same kind of work, man. You see all the procedures that we take. We just try to help you be great, man. I'm so proud of this right now. So proud of it. Decided to paint these in the sun. Got one layer on here right now. Let that settle in for a good, 5 minutes with some heat. And just finish this guy up. So panels are done. Finito. Doors open here, Gunners. What's up?
Keep back. Is it for the lady? For the baby?
Wait for him to come out so we can give it to him. Gunner sent some clothes for no drawers, man. Canadian love. But my man out here, D'Anthony, sent my boy No Drawers a whole bunch of clothes, man. Appreciate you, man. This is a gesture that God doesn't forget, man. Appreciate that. So we'll wait for No Drawers to come and surprise him with the clothes. Oh, there he is. Yo, No Drawers! We got something for you. Here we go, No Drawers. Gunner sent you this and some food too. So take that home. See if that clothes fits you. There's some larges in there, and there's a few extra things in there that he sent. All right. So take that home. You want to say thank you to him?
Thank you.
Appreciate
Whoever sent me this, thank you so much.
Good kid. Good man. Yo, you working?
No.
He hanging it.
I gotta go.
You gotta go.
Yeah.
Bro, we just started.
Yeah, he might go,
You going to take a shower already?
For take a shower.
You love showers, man.
For
Oh
clean
my
the.
God. Clean the culo?
Yeah.
Let's get this door panel on, Trap. I'm just gonna see how this black looks on this door. Oh my God, I can see it already. I can see it already, Trappy. I can see it already, Trappy. But oh my God. Remember that top flaps in first by the window. Yup, it goes like that, and then it flap, and then it holds down. That's it. I wouldn't even go crazier than that. Let me just see how that looks real quick. Hey. Oh, that's a good look. Nah, it came out great. We got our stuff done here too. It's all finished up. You get where we're going here. Hold on. So Trappy, yeah, better position there. Oh yeah, that's gonna look great. That's gonna look sick. Went ahead and picked up that trunk, boys. Time to assemble that part. Come on. Trappy doing a little taping before we actually get it on here. Yeah, real. Because that it's gonna be sketchy right here. We can't really see too well, so there's nothing wrong with protection, Trap. It saved a lot of people.
I wouldn't know. I got 4 kids.
Yeah, you wouldn't know about protection. Having 4 kids, you're right. I think you're gonna have to go down first, get yours in, then I'll just go. Definitely over here one. Too far over there.
We gotta lift the hatch up one. Yeah. More of an angle.
Don't forget the detail though.
Yeah.
Don't forget the detail though. Please don't. Getting this guy on, man. Bring it down, Trap, and see how it looks. Not bad. Good thing we take the edges, but hell yeah. We don't gotta line much.
No, it's not too bad. The gou's pretty.
Ah, it looks great. You get that OEM Honda emblem right there, the CTR one. Oof, that's gonna pop. Nah, I ain't gonna get it yet. I ain't gonna do it to him yet. Not yet.
I do it to him.
You do it? No, not yet. Not yet. What do you got? Oh, the harness is in the way. That's why. That was our back harness. Remember in a few vlogs ago? That's a pretty good one, Trappy. Few vlogs earlier, we did some of the wire tuck back here. So now I'll take this out. I don't got no nails. I don't have no nails, Trappy. So take that out, plug it.
I remember the harness, right?
Yeah. Look how clean that harness looks. We'll plug that guy in and then just tuck that whole harness right back into that clip. Put it on the bottom one too, so they just tuck this one a little lower. Right there. Oh, that's gonna look so good. Yeah. No wires.
What harness?
Dope. Awesome. Awesome. This is coming out great. This color, because of the light, doesn't do it justice. You really can't see the yellow. Alright. Going along, guys. Going along. I wonder if that video got 3,000 likes. I want to go get the rims. Right? They're up there. They're up there. We gotta go check and see if we got the 3K like, so we can vlog the wheels this vlog. We still should have kept this tape. We still got to do the wing anyway, the CTR one.
Yeah.
It's all good. You can take it off. We'll do it again. Patch is on. Want to drop it one more time for the camera, Trap? Put the harness away. It should tuck a little better. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's it, gunners. We are getting so close, man. CPD in the back. CPD. Miss you, PD. I lose the color out here because of the lighting. Yeah. No, not bad.
Yo, you came here to be average?
I seen what you did too.
You came here to be
I
average?
seen what you did. You styling on us. You styling on us.
Nah, we ain't playing, man.
Took some time, cleaned out those rubbers, the adjustable one for the trunk, looking nice and clean. Trappy's putting that molding, basically that gasket on. That I washed it up with some Simple Green in the bucket right here, and it's coming together, man. It's starting to look really, really good. I like how you styled on it here. Trap, I want to see this peeled off back, yo. Stop everything, please. Please, I want to see this tape so bad.
Hold on, I gotta get a blade.
Oh, you need a razor, bro. We'll be right back. We need a razor.
You anxious?
I'm anxious, man. I'm anxious. Ali.
There he goes. The background. The background motivator.
Ali, oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like it. I like it, Trappy.
There we go.
Yeah. Matching VINs, baby. Oh, the bumper got one too?
Does it? No, we might have took that off.
Oh, no, don't they?
The bumpers usually.
Oh, you bumpers, yeah, usually. Alright, nice. It's coming together. Gaskets fully on, right?
Sure.
What do you think? What do we move on to next? We gotta see if they got those lights up.
No word.
Jesus Christ, I hope they did. I really want to put these wheels on the show 'em. Man, drive real. It's like that.
Yeah.
Rear wiper motor.
Yeah.
It's lit.
Working too.
It's
It'll
lit.
work.
We're gonna have that working. You know what we should do on the back? Put like an RPM gauge, like a CTR gauge, and then have it like when you hit the wiper, it'll go to 10K. Mad rice. Well, Gunners, I'm wrapping up this video. Sorry about the thumbnail. Yeah, we tried. We tried to incorporate you guys into this video by having you like the last one. Just so you know, I'm not capping. It's only at 1.4 likes, 1.4 thousand likes, 1.4. Let's refresh it here, just so you know I'm not lying to you. Come on. Come on, Aki. We tried to get to 3,000 likes so we could show you the wheels. But unfortunately, we didn't get those likes. It's no worries. We got a lot done on Kobe today. We had a good time together, didn't we? We did. So, I don't know. We'll figure out another cool way to involve you guys into these vlogs so you can finally see the rims. But, yeah, man, it's been a long day, man. Me and Trappy, we just ate. I'm tired. Real beat, man. This heat, man, it's got to let off. It's 90 in here right now, man. I'll post these clutches in a couple of days, so that's it. You see the way I sound, I'm tired, man. The way I sound, I'm tired. It's just this heat is really, really like getting to us, man. Hopefully it just gives us a break. But let me know what you guys think about today's vlog, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. How do you guys like Kobe so far, man? How's it going? We are trying so hard. We are working so hard every day to build the perfect car. So I hope you guys are appreciating all of this content. I love you guys, man. I'll catch you Monday. Catch you Monday. Guncast, episode 61. Enjoy your weekend, Gunners. Keep gunning.